Today, we're talking about gift ideas that you should buy. And we're talking about gifts for that proud Michigander in your family. Number 1, Bear's Coffee and Nuts. The reason why I would recommend this is that they are roasted right here in Grand Rapids. And I like that they just changed their branding to this black and white with these cool color pops on the side. Really, if you're gonna open a gift, it should look fun before you enjoy it. And I think that they did a great job making these look awesome. Number 2, this is a gift that I've bought a lot. And I'll tell you what, I have not regret buying it one time. Brambles Woodwork Earrings. The artist is a friend of mine. His name's Jared, and he handcrafts each one of these earrings. From what I understand, they're made out of wood that he collects, finds, buys, scavenges in order to make these earrings that are truly one of a kind. Every time I buy them, I know the person that I'm buying them for is going to love them and probably wear them more than they expect when they first see them. Number 3, anything that you can find from a local crafter or artist. This hat is actually a gift for me this year, and I opened it early because I couldn't wait. This hat is from Leslie Billieu, and she made the hat to my specifications because I have a gigantic head and I normally can't find a hat that is warm, that fits me comfortably. And look at that. It's got a little Michigan on the side. How cool is that? So it's specifically made for me. But what I'm saying is, ordering something that is thoughtful, where it's going to fit me and is made for me, is something that's more important. So the person that you're buying it for will know that you thought about them when you bought that gift. And number 4, I do feel kind of odd shouting out myself in this one, but you should get one of the My Playground shirts because any proud Michigander uses Michigan as a giant playground, and they should have a shirt that shows it. The 5th one that I'm going to recommend is a company here in Michigan. I don't even own one of these, but I know a few people that do. And if there was ever a Christmas list where I would like one of these, I'm talking about Marhar Snowboards. Their tagline is, we build fun, we ride fun. And if there's anything that a proud Michigander would be a snowboard that is built right here in Michigan. Those are the 5 recommendations that I would recommend for anybody that's a proud Michigander. I hope you found this helpful, and until next time, cheers.